Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to pick up Facebook Messenger chat in computer. So first of all, you have to log in into your Facebook account, then click on this icon, settings and privacy, settings. Now click on your Facebook information and now click on download your information. And scroll down, then click on deselect all and only select these messages, so check this and scroll up. Then here you can select your date range, so I'm selecting here last 3 months. And now media quality, select here high, also you can select medium or low, and format, select any of them. Now click on create file. A copy of your information is being created. Now click on available copies, and here we can see my copy is pending now. It will take some time to ready this file, and here we can see the file is ready to download, and click here, then our file will be downloaded. And here you have to put your Facebook password, then click on submit. And after that, here we can see it is started to download. After downloading, you have to unzip this file and you have to open the HTML file on your browser. Then you will get backup for your Facebook messages. That's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.